The search for extraterrestrials in the planets is not far off. Scientists, New York. Scientists have claimed that innumerable planets in the universe are inhabited by aliens, and whether there are signs of life that could allow humans to migrate from Earth to space. The answers to these questions are now just a short distance away. The American Space Agency NASA has described the new discoveries of the James Webb Space Telescope as encouraging, saying that soon we will be able to learn about other creatures living in the planets and signs of life. NASA's statement added that the James Webb Space Telescope found a possible signature of gas in the planet K2-18b, 120 light-years away, from simple marine organisms in the atmosphere. The statement added that the discovery adds to recent studies that suggest K2-18b may be a Hycean exoplanet, with a hydrogen-rich atmosphere and a surface covered by a water ocean. Has the ability. NASA researchers have claimed that the discovery of this gas is a very strong indication that the search for space and life in the universe is not far off. The Astronomer Royal of Scotland told the BBC that we live in an infinite universe with an infinite number of stars and planets. And it is clear to many of us that we are not alone in the universe and that we now have the technology and the ability to respond.